With COVID-19, less and less people are shopping physically at supermarkets, and many are opting for safer approaches, such as ordering items for pickup or ordering items for delivery. However, not all stores have adapted to this change, and many aren't optimized to handle such a large increase in demand for pickups and deliveries, especially as it requires workers to know where items are to collect them for fulfilling an order. This is especially problematic with newer workers and volunteers who haven't received the chance to get familiar with the store layout and the location of many items around the store. We believe that there was a more efficient solution for this problem, and so we created Efika. Efika is an app that helps store employees work more efficiently. Each employee of a store would create an account in Efika and link it to their store. When they log in, they are brought to a list of active orders, sorted from oldest to newest. When they click on an order, they get more information about the order's details, such as the number of items it contains, the estimated time it will take to complete, and whether or not all the items would be able to fit in a basket. Once the worker chooses to fulfill the order, they are brought to a page where they can view the order's items and see more specific information related to each item. For this first item, it hasn't been registered in the database yet, so the worker will need to locate the item by scanning through the aisle, which can get tedious over time. However, this is where Efika shines. Instead of having future workers scanning through the same aisle again for the same item in the future, when the worker checks off the item, they are brought to a page where they can perform short and simple steps to help future workers find the item more easily. Firstly, it's easier to find an item when you know what the general location around the item looks like, so the worker can take a picture of the item along with its surroundings to help give more context about where a particular item is. Once they are satisfied with their picture, they can then also help future workers pinpoint exactly where an item is using the compass on their phone. By standing at the start of an aisle and pointing the phone directly at the position of the item, they can save the offset of the compass bearing of a certain item relative to its aisle, so that when future workers enter an aisle, they can use Efika to locate the item using their phone's compass. When the worker is finished performing these steps, they are then brought to their next item, and as you can see, the previous item is crossed off so that they can keep track of the item that they've collected. Now, this product already has an entry in the Efika cache, so you can scroll through the items other workers have taken of the item and its surroundings, helping you find the item more quickly. As well, when you reach the aisle, you can stand at the start and toggle on Efika's compass feature, which shows a green sliver pointing at where the item is located based on the saved compass bearing offsets from other workers who've used Efika to track this item. Efika also comes with profiles, where you can view the contribution of your co-workers and yourself to fulfilling orders and saving items. This provides motivation among the employees in the store, which is a really powerful way to get workers to become more efficient. You can search for your fellow co-workers and view their profiles, or check up on yours to make sure that you're not slacking off. Our app also comes with a handy feature for workers who need to pack items on a certain shelf or space. We use Packurate to help workers most efficiently fit items on a shelf. This is especially useful for stores who have many assorted items on display, such as stores displaying many books on tables where there is a limited amount of space. Here, you can see generated images about how some sample items should be placed on the shelf or display.